Hey RBans, this is RB and welcome to my channel RBanaChopper. Hope you all are doing good, and today again I'm back with another interesting recipe. Today I'm going to make a Thai dish, and now I'm going to show you a red Thai curry with prawns, and this recipe goes equally good with any other seafood or chicken. And today I used the ready-made Thai curry paste, which is easily available in any market. In this recipe I used fish sauce, but if you don't have a fish sauce then you can omit this, or else you can use soya sauce. And at the last I used jasmine rice to serve the Thai curry, but if you don't have jasmine rice or if you don't get jasmine rice, then you can use any other long grain rice with flavor and aroma like basmati rice. And that's it. So let's go to the recipe, and before that, please like this video and watch till the end. And if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell and share this video as much as you can, and comment down below about what you think. So let's go to the recipe now.